Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Analytica Vista. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about unit of analysis. So what is a unit of analysis? The units of analysis denote the levels of social life upon which researchers focus their investigations. The examples include micro level, like individuals, meso level, like organizations, and macro level, like societal structure units. So what this means is that you collect information from your unit of analysis. So if you're interested in, for example, individuals, like college students, all they are individuals. So you're collecting information about them, their level of GPA, their number of hours that they study, and their parental socio-economic background, etc. So this is the individual level data. But the data could be from organizations, like different companies. Like you may collect data from different companies. So that would be their level, how much they sell, for example. It's not about the individual, it's about the organization, about the company. And then it could be a macro level, which could be a country, a state, a city, or even bigger regions of the world, like European Union, like North America, etc. So, for example, in a country level data set, you often see GDP, which is the national level average income, national level income for a country. So, by which you know how advanced that country is in the economic scale. So your data could be from different level. So that level is called the unit of analysis. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching my video.